Hi traders, hope you're having a great start to the week. I'm on the dollar CAD, got my monthly, weekly, daily support and resistance levels all drawn in. They're in the description below. I'll just discuss the ones closest to price action. Now the dollar CAD is getting a little bit range bound at the moment. Did find support at 134.06 day support. Can we come up this week to retest 135.53 daily resistance and move above? We could just stay range bound, hold and simply move back down the range. So the level to watch at the moment is 135.53. Can price retest and move above that level this week? Alright, moving on to dollar franc. We did advance last week but held at weekly resistance 90.59 and we're getting some form of support here at 89.72 day support. Can this support now hold after yesterday's test for a move back up to retest weekly resistance and monthly resistance up here? Can that uptrend hold for a further retest of the high levels of resistance? We could hold here once more for a move back down the range. Alright traders, moving on to dollar yen. Now last week we tested the 137.90 weekly resistance level. We did close above Thursday, closed back below it Friday, and then got support yesterday to move above it. So look to 137.90 for support if we pull back, but can we move higher this week now to challenge the next level of weekly resistance at 139.38 and move above that level? Next dominant level of resistance is the monthly level at 141.53. Are we heading up towards that level now? So we found support yesterday on the old weekly resistance level. Can we now move up to challenge the next level at 139.38? Okay, onto Euro Pound, which is rather range bound, just holding to a downtrend. We can see here it's held between support and resistance. So in the middle of that range at the moment. Can we move back up to retest the top of the range here, which is approximately 87.18 to 22. We've got daily resistance here at 87.20. So can we move up to the top of the range, hold, fail to move back down to the bottom of the range this week? Very range bound, so trade the outer limits of the range. Does the range hold? Does it move back down from the 87.18 to 22 weekly resistance area? Okay, moving on to New Zealand yen. Had a very strong advance above 85.90 day resistance last week, all the way back up to almost retesting monthly resistance at 87.33 up here. So we've got 87.20, 87.33 daily monthly resistance, very close to price action at the moment. All these resistance highs to the left. Can price move above those levels? I'll be expecting a failure up here, but can price move above? We have the interest rate decision tomorrow from the New Zealand Central Bank. Are we able to move above, or does price hold at resistance to move back down the range? It's not a great area to be a buyer at the moment. It's definitely a seller's area up there. Watch 87.20 to 87.33 daily monthly resistance to maybe hold for a move back down the range this week. Alright traders, moving on to New Zealand dollar, last pair to review for today. So last week we got support 61.87. It's getting rather range bound, this pair at the moment. We do have the interest rate decision tomorrow for the New Zealand, so can we come up and retest daily resistance 63.14? Do we hold there or move above? We could move above to retest the higher level of resistance, weekly resistance at 63.79. So first level to watch 63.14. Do we hold there and fail, or can we move above? Very range bound. I would anticipate a possible failure here, but we could move up to the higher level. So it is range bound. When it's range bound, support and resistance tends to hold. So can we move above 63.14 this week, or does it hold for a move back down the range? Okay traders, that's my analysis for today. If you want to keep up to date with my analysis, simply subscribe to the channel. I look forward to seeing you next time. Now if you'd like to follow my Forex trading analysis throughout the week, why not subscribe to the ACY Securities live interactive trading feed Telegram channel. Simply contact Nathan Bray at acy.com to get access.
Are you looking to improve your trading? Join Duncan Cooper, Senior Market Strategist and Trading Mentor at ACY Securities as he shares his knowledge on the global Forex markets. The upcoming webinars for this week, 23rd of May. During this webinar, Duncan will review 12 currency pairs, determine the key support and resistance trading levels for the week ahead, discuss his favorite risk to reward trading opportunity, and answer your trading questions. 24th of May, using pivot points to identify key intraday support and resistance levels. During this webinar, you will learn how to use pivot points as intraday support and resistance levels and determine the support and resistance buy and sell zones for the trading day, finishing with a simple trading strategy. 25th of May, live Forex market review, identifying high probability trading levels. Don't miss these live interactive webinars that will help you improve your trading.